So this is my sitting room area that's right next to my master bedroom. And so I'm going to share with you the transformation. I decided to turn this into kind of like my shoe room slash Zen diva den, however you want to put it. So that's the before. You can see the carpet is there, the light fixture, and the first thing I did was to change out the hardwood floors to red oak wood. Next, I changed out the light fixture, but I didn't get a video of changing out the light fixture. And we painted the walls all white because I knew the closet system was going to be white. So I painted the walls all white. And then, of course, threw my shoes back in there. So this is what it looks like without any shoes or any mess in there. Voila, here is my shoe room slash diva zen. So I put the hanging there on the sides because I didn't want you to see my clothes kind of hanging when you first open the door. So that kind of hides that. And these are the soft close drawers there. Those are 10-inch face drawers, which is perfect for like t-shirts, shorts, jeans, things like that. And then I wanted a built-in hamper, and there is a wire rack there that I can actually pull out and take with me to the laundry room. But I really wanted that. I wanted to get two, but I opted for just one, but I could always change it if I wanted to change it later. But here is the reveal. Both sides are somewhat matching, except on the left side there I opted with 4 drawers. So again, those are the soft close drawers. I changed out the handles, and those are some handles that I picked up from Lowe's. They were about $11 per handle. So again, this is the reveal of my shoe room slash diva zen. I still have a lot more things that I want to do to it, such as a rug, some mirrors, some accent wall back there. But this is it so far, and I will keep you all updated. Oh yeah, the light does have a dimmer on it, so you can dim the light there. When I got it installed, the electrician put a dimmer on that. So I absolutely love it, and I hope you enjoy it as well. More to come.